Why does the Red Sea, a narrow strip of water tucked between Africa and the Arabian Peninsula, hold such strategic importance on the global stage? And what makes the Horn of Africa, a region often associated with conflict and poverty, a focal point in international geopolitics? The Red Sea is a strategic waterway that connects the Indian Ocean and the Mediterranean Sea through the Suez Canal. It's a vital route for global trade, energy, and security. At the southern end of the Red Sea, you'll find the Horn of Africa, home to Djibouti, Eritrea, Ethiopia, and Somalia. This region significantly influences the stability and security of the Red Sea. The United States has a vested interest in this region. Its core interests revolve around political stability, economic development, and the free passage for naval and commercial vessels. Preventing hostile activities in this region is also a top priority. The transitions underway in Ethiopia and Sudan are fragile but historic. They have the potential to reshape the political and economic landscape of the Horn of Africa. The United States supports these transitions, understanding their potential for regional stability. However, the Red Sea is not a calm sea. It's a region filled with challenges. Strategic competition from China and Russia, who have increased their presence and influence in the Red Sea region, is a significant concern. Their involvement in infrastructure, trade, and military cooperation presents a direct challenge to US interests. And let's not forget the Middle Eastern actors. Countries like Saudi Arabia, the United Arab Emirates, Turkey, and Qatar have their own interests and agendas in the Horn of Africa and the Red Sea. Their rivalries and interventions add another layer of complexity to the region. Then there are the ongoing and emerging conflicts and crises in the Red Sea region. The war in Yemen, disputes over the Nile, instability in Somalia and South Sudan, and threats of terrorism and piracy all require the United States to have a strong, comprehensive strategy. So, what are the key takeaways from our discussion? The Red Sea and the Horn of Africa are regions of strategic importance, not just for the United States, but for the world. The US's core interests in these regions are many, ranging from political stability to economic development. However, these interests are challenged by the increased presence of global powers like China and Russia, the interventions of Middle Eastern countries, and the myriad of conflicts and crises present in the region. To navigate these turbulent waters, a coherent and comprehensive strategy is necessary, one that can address the interconnected and trans-regional challenges and opportunities that affect US interests. In short, the Red Sea and the Horn of Africa are not just geographical features on a map. They are vibrant, complex regions that hold the keys to global trade, energy, and security. How the United States, and indeed the world, navigate these waters will have far-reaching impacts on the political and economic landscape of the world.